All right, so we're day 3 and everything is all finish coated and ready for finish sanding now. Nice smooth ceiling from the old yucky swirl ceiling that was there. And nice squared in angles, cleaned in angles. All the walls were all cleaned up too, the bottoms where the trims were. So we just finished finish coating everything. Nice easy final sand tomorrow. And then prime it. And then we're out of here after we clean. And that right there was where that patch was. Can't even tell now. Then we have a couple spots downstairs. So Kevin loaded this up today. The homeowner asked me to do it just this morning. It wasn't part of the original quote, but he had seen how I cleaned up some of the walls. He asked us to clean this up a little bit. So we did. It's all done. It's all cleaned. Then there's a little bit more going downstairs. So this spot here. There was a patch. Kevin took care of that for me. And this spot here, there was a patch up there.